Error on PC, 2026 working fix. Possible issues fixed. DirectX error, DXGI error device hung, DXGI error device removed, DirectX 12 crash, game crash on startup, black screen, random freezing, game not launching. Solution 1, restart your PC, close the game completely, restart your computer, launch the game again. Solution 2, update graphics driver. Download the latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver. Install the driver with clean installation option. Restart your PC. Solution 3, update DirectX. Download and install the latest DirectX runtime. Restart your computer. Launch the game again. Solution 4, verify game files. Open Steam, Epic Games, EA app. Select the game. Open Properties, verify game files. Wait until the repair process finishes. Solution 5, clear DirectX shader cache. Open Windows Settings, go to System, Storage, Temporary Files, select DirectX Shader Cache, delete the cache, restart your PC. Solution 6, disable overlays, disable Steam overlay, disable Discord overlay, turn off Xbox Game Bar, disable NVIDIA AMD overlay, close MSI Afterburner and RivaTuner. Solution 7, install Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Install Microsoft Visual C++ 2022 packages. Install both x64 and x86 versions. Restart your PC. Solution 8, run game with DirectX 11. Open the game launcher. Add launch option, DX11, start the game. Check if the error is fixed. Solution 9, disable GPU overclock. Open your GPU tuning software. Reset GPU settings to default. Disable overclocking, restart your computer. Solution 10, reinstall graphics driver, final fix. Remove the current GPU driver. Install the latest official NVIDIA AMD Intel driver. Restart your PC. Launch the game again. These steps fix DirectX errors, DXGI crashes, DirectX 12 issues, black screen, freezing, and game crashes on Windows 10 and Windows 11.